1. H&M. Hens means hers in Swedish, and was the name of the original store. Moritz was the name of a shop acquired by H&M founder Erling Persson, who joined the two words together. 2. Fiat. The name is an acronym for Fabbrica Italiana Automobili Torino, meaning Italian Automobile Factory of Turin, the region in which the car was founded. 3. IBM. The company originated in 1911 as the Computing Tabulating Recording Company, and was renamed International Business Machines in 1924. 4. HTC. HTC is the name of a Taiwanese company that stands for High-Tech Computer. 5. BMW. BMW stands for Bayerische Motorenwerk, which in turn means Bavarian Motor Works. 6. IKEA. I and K are the initials of the founder, Ingvar Kamprad. The E and A come from Elmtarad and Agunrad, which are the farm and the village where he grew up, respectively. 7. JBL. This audio company was founded by James Bullough Lansing in 1946, and he used his initials as the name of the company. 8. Lego. Lego is an abbreviation of the words leg godt, which means play well in Danish. 9. WIPRO. This company was started as Western India Palm Refined Oil Limited, and sold vegetable and refined oils. With their shift to the computer industry in the 70s, they changed their name to Western India Products Limited. 10. Intel. This technology company's name is a combination of the words integrated electronics. It also helped that Intel is short for intelligence,